Guys, my name is Sanju. Today I'm discuss about a medical app named IntelliHealth. In this app there are lots of features and we are talking about these features one by one. Here this is a login page of IntelliHealth. Here patients are login and doctors as well login. If I want to login as a user, so I fill my Gmail ID, for example sohit@gmail.com, and fill my password. Then click on sign in button. This is the homepage of IntelliHealth app. Here all the doctors are available and we can search the doctor by name, example Amit, and get appointment. Then doctor details are shown. He has a 8 years experience and we can book an appointment for the doctor. This is a book appointment page. Here we booking our time according to the doctor's availability. Now I book the time with the doctor and click on confirm button. About this is a payment page. Here we write about reason for appointment and we can pay the consultation fees with a card or a Razorpay. Now I pay with Razorpay. Click on confirm and pay. This is a Razorpay page. I will pay with the net banking and success. Now the payment is successful and thank you for booking appointment from the doctor's side. We can patient can also change her profile and see her appointments with the doctor, favorite doctors, prescriptions, medical history, payment history, my wallet, setting, etc. Now I am clicking on a payment history and we can say here is a booking history of, and we can also search the doctor by the categories, for example cardiology and dental department, orthopedics, etc. Now I show you my wallets. In my wallets all the transactions which we were done are shown and we can withdraw our balance. Then now we will move to doctor's part. Just wait a minute. This is the doctor part. Doctor name Amit, and in this page today's appointment are shown to doctor. Doctor can accept the appointments, reject the appointments and postpone. Doctor can also reschedule her appointment, and this is a pending jobs. He can accept, reject or postpone. And these are the completed job page, which jobs are completed. On the side menu there are many features: my profile, my availability, my appointments, patient history, my wallet, settings, contact us, privacy and policy, and logout. Now I am clicking on my availability button. We are now doctor schedule our availability according to morning, afternoon or in the evening. Then save and confirm. He can also see wallet which were made by the transactions through user app. And this is the patient history page. Here doctor can see the history of patient and a past history of patient. Thank you.